morning everybody. I am Neev Prasanna from class 2nd C, Bahadur International School. Today I am going to play role of lalbahadurshastri. Namaskar. I am lalbahadurshastri. I was born on 2nd October 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. I was a freedom fighter. I was the second Prime Minister of India. I always say, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jawan protects our country. Kisan feeds our country. That's why I am very proud of Jawan and Kisan. I created green and white revolution to boost India's food production and milk production. Jai Jawan.